Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to create this ridge in your work, which kind of stands out. It's pretty easy. We'll be going through the third loop. So you might be wondering, what is the third loop anyway? So if I turn my work, we can see our loops that we generally go into, and those are the front and back loops. This is the front loop, this is the back loop. And then if you turn your work so it's facing you, these loops right here are the third loops. And they're down below. And those are the loops that we're going to go into to make this stitch. So I chained one, and I'm going to start with a yarn over, insert my hook into that third loop. Again, yarn over, go through that third loop, finish your double crochet. Let's see how it looks at the end of the row. At the end of the row, I'll turn and we can see what happened. Get this lovely ridge stitch, which looks a lot like a knit stitch. If you want to continue this pattern, then alternate rows of double crochets and third loop double crochets. Thanks for watching.